All right, welcome to Roads Untraveled by Ink That Matters. This is your host, Shireen Ishan. Today we have a very special guest today with us, Ms. Rabia Patel. She is a socialite and author of a book called Women of Substance. She's also a social worker. Yes, that's the book I'm talking about. And she's also a social worker. She's done a lot of social work and she's a well-known person around Mumbai, and she's done a lot of, and she's also famous for, walk for a cause. She runs it for a cause. So we will be talking about all of that today. And welcome, Rabia ji. Welcome for our show. Welcome to Anna. Welcome to have accepted the invite to be on the show.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the invite. I'm blessed to be your guest and I'm blessed to have you as a host as well. You write
Thank
well
you so
and
much.
ink, which matters, is absolutely the need of an art today because that is why I have made this book called Women of Substance. Ink matters to me as well.
Right. So we are very honored to have you on the show. And Rabia ji, let us start with your book, which is actually the topic of today that we would be discussing in detail. The Women of Substance. So you have been working or associated with Life Insurance Corporation of India, if I'm not wrong. So you have been associated with Life Insurance Corporation for a long time. The association has been very long. So how was the journey from LIC to being an author of the book? How did that transition happen?
I'm still working with LIC, still 10 years to go because I'm still very young. But when I was very
Yeah.
young, immediately after college, and those days, the government job or any public sector job, my family was into government jobs. So naturally, I also had to get any kind of thing but job. So my dad, my family members, like they used to think if you are in private job, then you're just nowhere. But if you are in a government job, you are secured. So the first job I applied, I got it as a development officer, of course, and I was the only girl selected amongst many lakhs of people. Many lakhs of people. I was the only girl selected those days, 30 years back.
All right.
So that is what I feel, that women empowered. And with me, there were a lot of empowered men because there were 140 boys, and amongst 140 boys, I was there. So you can imagine how much pampering I must have got.
That
So
must be
I
feeling
was,
very great actually.
yes, I was very happy because I was getting a lot of attention. But of course, the work was the target oriented. So you can imagine each year, each month, each time you have to fulfill the target. I am very successfully doing the target, mashallah.
Right. I'm sure. So how did that, you were already, have had an established career with, Life Insurance Corporation, which you seems to be enjoying also. So why did you, think that you should be authoring a book? Why did you think that you should be, writing a book right now? So what motivated you or inspired you to, come up with a book?
Actually, this is an initiative of Walk for a Cause. So Walk for a Cause is my product, baby, in a sense, because I have an NGO called Giants Group of Mumbai One. And Giants is the first in India which has been started by our late Padma Shri Nana Chudasma, who was also ex-sheriff of Mumbai, who was there for 2 years consecutively, like how we have sheriff of Mumbai. So he was there. He was the first one who started this initiative. So, this is how we, in our journey, we started this, and this was just a baby coming in, one baby coming after the another baby, then another baby coming, then Walk for a Cause with the fashion walk. Then Walk for a Cause is an initiative which got a lot of people coming in. Then I thought those people who have inspired me, they have, let's write a book about them. In a book, I wanted to feature a rainbow since it is a month of July. We keep on seeing the rainbow and seven colors, seven shades of women, seven different women. So I thought of having all these women who were a victim of circumstances, or who have gone through a stages where they were needed a support of a lot of things around. So their story will inspire a lot of other men, women, and children, of course. Their
Right.
struggle, their handicaps into the caps which they are holding the caps.
Right. So now, when we're talking about the book and what inspired you to come up with this book, the characters that you chose for this book, you said you wanted to create a book where you will take up people who have inspired you. So why no the this book consists of stories of seven or six or seven women, I
Seven.
suppose seven
Seven.
women. So what do you think is what attracted you to the seven people that you have chosen? There are so many people whom you would have met. So why these seven people that you thought you should be actually penning it down in your book? What actually made
No,
you
the
do that?
idea was many women. Coming out with a lot of editions in future because this was the first edition. And my
Hmm.
creative man, the man behind this book, there is only one man behind the Raj. So he is the one who has made this. And we were discussing since past many years. Many years I've thought of writing a book, but I never thought about writing on the women because specifically I have never been with women since past 3 to 4 years only. I'm surrounded by women around, but along like I'm a one single parent child, so my father has brought me up, and I'm successfully married for 24 plus years now. So I believe that there is a man, of course, for my success,
Right,
for being my successful marriage. So I
right,
believe that with me, a lot of men have been there who have empowered me,
right,
not women, of course. But then the marketing strategy is always women empowerment, women empowerment. So I thought of writing a book on women empowerment, and colors and the beauty and the rainbow attracted me to that. So I wanted to choose seven women. And of course, the seven women who were working with me since past 3 years, they were their journey and my journey was along with each other, like we were in the middle of crossing the roads in together. So I knew their story, I knew their victim to victory, I knew the journey. So I thought, let me try their colors, their the color combinations. So the Satrangi, the rainbow color. So I wanted to start with the seven. Of course, I will be coming more seven, 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 seven every year.
okay,
The
okay,
additions
okay.
will be there, but this is how I started with them. So I was searching for all women whose journey was inspiring, who could motivate other women to see their journey.
Right. That's nice. So your journey is also part of the book, I suppose, the
No,
Women
no,
of
no, no,
Substance.
no, 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 no. I have not written my story. My story is yet to
Okay.
come, and I
Okay.
think those who know me have seen me, my journey. Those who have seen me from childhood, in my days, younger days, teenagers. I will write a biography about myself. I will never write my story like this. And
Okay.
still, the
All
time
right.
is too long to reach there.
Right. 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 All right. Rabia ji, why the name Women of Substance? So what made you, coin that name? Who actually, why did you come
No,
up with
I
that
will.
name?
No, I have not chosen the name. This is Raj, the man behind the book. The man, only man behind the book. So I
Okay.
said, no, there are men always who have inspired my father, my colleagues, my friends, my neighbors who are males, and my childhood friends, and my husband. So I think again, Raj Abhishek is a man behind this book. So he's the man who suggested it's 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 a pure man women combining together.
It's just the
The journey
combination.
is yeah. I believe the journey always runs through parallel. If it is not
Right.
running, then there has to be a fall.
Right. 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 Definitely. So I'm very sure that the person who's behind this book is actually seeing our show or listening to the show right now, and he see that you giving him the credits for
He's
from the
off
designing to
social.
naming the book. Okay,
I hope
so probably
so.
so probably he will know that you're giving me credits for the designing as well as naming the book. So I'm sure about that. All right.
He is not that
So
kind of a man, I must tell you, because there are in social media a lot of people are longing to have the credit, longing to have the share of their work done. But sometimes the luck is so good. Sometimes I have not paid Alifia. Also, I have not paid Raj Abhishek. I have not paid anybody anything. But the luck is that with my book, they got a lot of orders, lot of opportunities. So, and they have never asked me. They said, "We want to be with you. We want to be part of your journey." That's the best compliment I got, and that is why they are there, and that is why they are getting what they deserve.
it's all for the love that they have for you, Rabia ji, nothing
Yes,
else.
I hope
It's
they
all
love
for the love.
me. Yes,
Definitely they do. All of them do. So
thank you very much.
including me.
Thank you very
All
much.
right. All right. So when we were talking about this book, you wanted to inspire people, you wanted to motivate people, so you came up with real life stories about the people that you see in your day-to-day life. And you also told me that this book will also have its these sequences like where you will come up with more inspiring stories later on, and also you will be doing your own biography. So that's actually a wonderful journey to cover later on. And I hope I call you for the show again to speak about your own biography. All right, talking about that, you also have a sector called Walk for a Cause. That's Rabia's Walk for a Cause. So what exactly is that? What do you do there? How is it done? And what is the concept all about?
See, first of all, when I started this Walk for a Cause, it was mainly meant to have people to come for Walk for a social cause. It was not only Walk for a Cause. So come for a social cause. Anybody who has been born, an animal or a human being, they are giving benefit to others. The reason for their living is their benefit to others. So I believe I have a social cause. I believe that you also have a social cause. But there are certain people who are not aware of anything that social cause में मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है. सब लोगों को लगता है पैसे देने से ही social cause होता है. But it is not that. Even while talking, listening to somebody, going to old age home, going to an orphanage, going to any place where you can heal someone by giving them food, by listening to them, that also makes a difference. So, making a difference through social causes was my reason for coming to the platform. Again, when I first started, it was all social causes because I was giving them in the mindset that come out with the social cause, take any cause. Like I was a school teacher, and in my book, Gemini Dhar was there who was taking the interviews, and everybody. And the last moment, in the last week, when we were just about to go on the floor before the main all practices, I don't know where I had promised somebody that we will give you a makeup and dress and all that thing. I don't know, but I must have done. So when somebody said I need a dress, I want a makeup artist and all that. I said, "Arey chalo lekar aao." So where Shagufta helped me with all these things, and then we got into all this makeup, shake up, and designers. So finally, we did all these things. The second time again, I just took it in the five-star hotel JW Marriott where the food and everything is there, and you come and you walk the ramp. This was it. Where Ravina Tandon also came, Nadiadwala's family, whole family came. So this was an achievement for me, like a film fraternity and the legends of a film fraternity, and Ravina Tandon also coming, and the whole day she was there with all my participants. And again, I have adopted a school. It's a girls' school at Madanpura, which is called Anjuman Khairul Islam. So they had performed. They were always performing for me, and they started the initiative of performing on stage, and they are getting paid for that wherever they go, all over Mumbai and other than Mumbai. So this is again a motivation to them to perform. So this
Right.
was a second. Then later on, I started it like Ma Tujhe Salam, Walk for a Cause event, Ma Tujhe Salam, women are, like how you came with the Hunar Awards. So this was the second
Right.
Hunar Award, but March again I did. So every time I had a reasons to do something for empowerment. So it was a motherhood, then it was a womanhood, then again a man's men also want to participate, children also wanted to part. So all of them came together and it made success. And with me, like blessings, more blessings, because the media also covered me a lot, especially Times of India, in the City News they covered me, and the Bombay Times they covered me for a lot of times for my walk for a cause. So I'm really blessed, and I think my father in heaven, of course, my parents in heaven, my grandparents, they must be feeling that Rabia is doing, Rabia ka naam jo rakha hai, Rabia. You know, you know the reason, na? What is the name of Rabia? खुदा से मोहब्बत करने
Uh,
वाली, खुदा की जात से मोहब्बत करने वाली. तो इस तरीके से ये जात, राबिया की जात इस तरह से चलती गई. मैं वो सूफी तो नहीं बन सकती, मैं सेंट तो नहीं बन सकती, लेकिन मैं ऐसे क्रिएट तो कर सकती हूँ कि हम सब अच्छे रहे, आप और मैं मिलके एक अच्छा कंट्री बनाए, अपना सिटी बनाए, अपना जो भी अपने अतराफ का बनाए, जहाँ मोहब्बत हो, जहाँ एक दूसरे को लोग मोटिवेट करें और बढ़ावा दें.
right.
तो इस तरीके से हर बार बनता गया.
Great, Abhyaji. That's actually very nice to know about a journey where especially you have adopted a school and those children also get a platform to perform and people come to know about them. That's actually a wonderful thing that you're doing. Very apt to the the meaning of the name that you just told me. So that was actually a very sweet gesture when you told me that you actually adopted a school and you support that school. That's actually wonderful and many congratulations for that.
Thank you very much.
All right. So now this Rabia's walk for a cause where you do, people walk, on the ramp for a cause. So how do you actually, do you actually choose people, who should go on the ramp or anybody who want to participate or anybody who wants to inspire others can, join you and, do their bit. So how does that work
I
out?
I can't choose people. If the people are happily coming in, I will welcome them, whether irrespective of their age, caste, colors, whatever. They should have one intention that they want to come. They want to
Right,
pay for the walk for a cause event.
right, right. Yeah, I actually know the details, but then it's for the audience because they'll have to know if they would want to participate, they should know how it has to be done. So I thought I
Yeah,
will put
because
that
those
question across.
aspiring models, those who want to come for the modeling, they want to come for the stage shows, or those who are like they want to become a politician. See how Smriti Irani, she was a model. She went for the Femina Miss India. Of course,
Exactly.
she wasn't the
Exactly.
winner. She was not a tall winner. She was
Right.
just a model. But then
Right.
the journey from the television to where now she is a union cabinet minister.
Right.
So
So this is
if
just the
anybody is
beginning.
walking through
So
Rabia's walk for a cause and they reach the union cabinet minister, I can get my work done easily, no?
right. That's actually the an intention apart
Of
from
course,
walk for a cause.
no, it is not my intention, but the things will become much easier, no? Then
Yeah, right, right. But that's actually a very good thought, Rabia. You walk for a cause where people can get motivated themselves by walking on the ramp. They will get the confidence themselves, and then they can motivate others too. So it is actually a two-way. They can get motivated themselves, and they can go ahead and motivate others. That's actually a very good thing. All right. So you told me you're also a social activist, where you head a non-profit organization called the Giants One.
yes.
So can you throw some light about that as to what you do and how you do and what is the Giants One all about?
See, Jan's group of Mumbai One. I chose this Mumbai One name because I love Mumbai, and one is my pin code where my workplace is there. So when you are coming to Mumbai VT, the pin code is one. So I wanted to have the one name, and of course the name with that acronyms is opportunities, O, N for networking, and E for empowerment. So empowerment for
Oh,
all
great.
women, children, and men. So again, each year we have a president coming. I am a founder to that. I initiated with this having a lot of social people joining in, and every year we will have a president. So this year our Archana Jain is there, who's the president. You must have seen her in the
Right.
Hunar
Yes,
Ka
I did.
award
I
also.
did.
And
I
congratulations
did.
for being a awardee,
Thank you.
Shireen.
Thank you so much.
Shireen, all the way coming from south to western. It's a great
Right.
honor, and
Right.
congratulations once
Thank you.
again.
Thank you.
So
Thank you so much.
she was also participant for many of my walk for a cause, and she's an enthusiastic girl. I saw she herself is so motivated to do a lot of social work. So she's a president for the current year. We will have a next year again a Miss India Brainy Beauty, maybe Kanchana Mota also. In future coming years, who will be our president? Because we have to decide who is going to be president. So each year one president will be there. They will have a lot of activities, whether education, whether it is a women empowerment or a skill development or animal, related to helping animals.
Welcome.
So we have many activities. In my Anjuman Khairul Islam, we have given the second-hand gadgets because nowadays everything is online. For poor people, how they'll get the phones? So
Right.
you and I can give the second-hand phone. Na? We keep on buying new phones. So we
Right.
have young giants who's also young age group less than 18 years old. So we have from 6 years to 18 years group. That's our baby again, young giants group of Mumbai one. They are also doing a lot of activities. They are having each one teach one. The young students, they are only 15-year old. They are teaching this Urdu medium school how to speak better English and good communication English. So we have online courses for them too. And
That's
these
great.
children have given them the phones. We have a ration kit because nowadays all in this pandemic, no salary, no income. So those poor people they don't have ration for their home. Like they need ration. So we are giving a lot of
Right.
rations to people, and we have done one more project for the mentally challenged people. I have gone to me and my president of the group. I have gone to Uran. We have gone to New Bombay. We have gone to not only in my area, like we stay in South Mumbai. So South Mumbai, Sion, Vadala is very close to us. We take a car. We have dumped each bag containing of 20 kgs, and we have got 40 kgs, and we distributed Uran. Like it's very far from Mumbai. It's in Raigad district in Maharashtra. So me and Archana drive together. She drove the car. So I feel so inspired that my president was working hard. It's my baby, my giants, my NGA, NGO, and the president is working, and the team is working. So all the team is like ikhatta doing lot of things.
Right. That's actually very inspiring to know, Rabia ji, when you get motivated yourself by giving it to others. You give it back to the society every time, and a lot of forms by either walking for a cause or going directly and helping people in need, or helping students with their education and things, or helping people with their daily household things like the ration or the groceries. That's actually a very good thing. You are actually doing your bit in every form as possible, as you can do. So that's actually
खुदा की
a
मेहरबानी.
tremendous work. That's actually a tremendous work that you're doing. I've actually got to know a lot more about you after talking to you. Though I've known you for quite some time now, but after talking to you now, I've come to know, more that what you do than I've actually read about you. So that's actually a very good thing. All right. So when we were talking about the Giants group, what is this India a Brainy Beauty all about? That is also a segment that you hold. Apart from, is it different from, Rabia's Walk for a Social Cause, or it is, one and the same, or how is it? What is India Brainy Beauty all about?
It's a pageant show. See here, like Walk for a Cause, everybody can walk in. There's no selection procedure. It's a minimum amount, like just khane ka kharcha 5,000 rupees. But India Brainy Beauty is again our brainchild, me and Archana Jain. It's a pageant show where we give the training. Of course, there is an audition first, and after the audition, there is a selection, and again selection के बाद training, and then again training के बाद again the winner is decided. So there is a Miss and Mrs. The criteria is two, and in any form women can come, whether the slim or a curvy queen or any sizes or any colors. And no age bar also. A young from 18 to 80 can come and can get
Nice.
selected in the auditions. So
All right.
that's a pageant with a purpose again. Why the
Hmm.
purpose? Because again, I am relating to Miss Smriti Irani, again the cabinet minister, because the women are very giving. They're not giving at
Correct.
home also. When given a chance, they are giving outside to the world also. Whether it is
Right.
their knowledge, whether it is their any form of, they are giver. So
Right.
this is why I we thought of having India Brainy Beauty. The brains work and beauty, of course, working. So whether they
Right.
want to become a model or a politician or they want to be a part of it, they can join us. And we are coming soon with that pageant show.
Yeah, I saw that update. You're coming up with the next edition very soon. I saw that update. All right. So this India Brainy Beauty has an audition, whereas Rabia's Walk for a Cause, they it doesn't have an audition. So anybody can
Correct.
participate
Yes.
and walk for a cause, right? And
Correct.
Brainy Beauty, it does have an audition where you will have to get selected on specific criteria, if I'm not wrong.
Correct.
All right. So this was for the audience so that they will know as to what you do, and people who don't know you, they will come to know as to how to approach which category that they will fit in. So it was for them, just a refresher. All
Thank you
right.
very much.
They are most welcome, Rabia ji. And also, I actually wanted to congratulate that you're gonna very soon come up with a magazine for called Rabia's for a cause. And let's talk about that magazine if if you are okay. We can talk about that
Yes, yes,
magazine
why
right now.
not? We are having a magazine which will have, like how you have a Savvy magazine, a Society magazine, or Vogue magazine, to be very,
Right.
I'm not comparing myself to be Vogue or Femina or Maya Puri or kind of things. But of course, we are coming out soon with the 12 different headings. Of course, food fashion is always there, health is always there, the media is there, movie is there, and all the models who want to come and showcase that they are getting featured in the magazine, of course. So the models,
Right.
everybody is going to be there. And the best part of it that there will be an etiquette part also, what is to be learned, and the food and everything. So we have got charted out, and let's soon. It's going to be inshallah very soon. Inshallah.
Definitely. And when we talk about the magazine, Rabia ji, does it cater to a specific audience only, or is it for everybody? Anybody who will, get a copy can have, a topic of interest about for them, or is it for, women-centric magazine, or is it for, like everybody? Like when you said Femina, it's a women-centric magazine. So I wanted to understand if this is a women-centric magazine, or there'll be something for anybody who would, pick up a copy.
It's not women centric at all. And since Sabi was also a women centric, but the Mr. Nari Hira started, a man behind this. So I will not say that it is going to be a women only. The magazine will cater to everybody. Fashion also models are men and women. So again,
Right.
men are there. The fashion industry nowadays, you go to any salon nowadays, it's a unisex.
Right.
So everything is for all of them. And when I was very young in school, of course, I used to read all the magazines, and I also wanted to be a part of it. And journey was that you never know you are going to be a part of it. And of course, I'll get Mr. Nari Hira to open this, inshallah Tala. La.
Nice. Nice.
That's a dream again.
Definitely, definitely.
And I was
Definitely.
working for Movie Magazine before joining LIC of India. I was working for IBH India Book House, and they were
Okay.
the only distributor for Life. And I am being associated with Life in all ways, like selling Life magazine. Can you imagine Life? Those days, इतना बड़ा बड़ा आता था. So the
Right.
magazine cover itself was so attractive.
Right. All right. So this magazine is gonna be for one and all. So anybody who would pick up a copy, they will have an area of interest for them, which will actually attract them to buying a copy. So that's Rabia's walk for a cause. That's gonna be the magazine all about. All right, and many congratulations for the the upcoming magazine, Rabia ji. I hope you get success even with this venture.
इंशाल्लाह आमीन. अच्छी
All
नीयत
right.
से कुछ भी काम करो अच्छा ही होता है.
Exactly, exactly. And we are actually honored to have you on this show when you have so much to give back to the society. There are people, who will you have एक अच्छा खासा काम है, and we have a career running, and we have a loving family. So what else do you need? People just settle down with that. They don't want to think beyond that. But you are always one step ahead. You think beyond those things. You wanted to do something for the society, and you're still doing it. So why did you actually think that you will have to, give back to the society when, why didn't you actually settle down like anybody else, in this world who thinks, okay, I have a successful career, I have, a stable or, a loving family behind me to support me. So, bas yahi kafi hai. That's what everybody thinks. So, what made you think actually beyond that that you went ahead, you had this, you took the efforts of adopting a school, maybe, or working for a cause, or giving empowerment to women by writing a book on them. So how did all this happen? Why did you actually think that you should be doing all this?
Sometimes it is a nature by birth, I think. I will, matlab, I must say that this is my nature.
Okay.
So, I don't want to say that whatever it is. I've been talkative. I like people. I love people. I wanted to be surrounded by people. And of course, one more thing, I must say that my husband also is very social in terms of not talking. Like, I'm a very talkative person. But behind his mind, his intentions are to help people, to guide them. So, but he's behind the scene and I'm up front. The beauty always gets the first attraction. No?
So he's the pillar of strength for you. He supports you from behind, whereas you perform.
It's I will not say 100% support of it, but the family who is into all these things, my whole family, my mom,
Right.
dad, my in-laws, my whole, we're still in a joint family. We have many things in Baruch, in London, it's I will say a traditional values also help.
Right. 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 I
It's
always
in inborn.
Okay, so because I always wondered, when a person is so giving, when a person is, wants to do so much for the society, what would have motivated that person, to do that? What would have inspired that person to do so? You could have even chosen a, a different life where, you were just, doing your, taking care of yourself, your career, your family, and also settle down in life. But you chose the other way where you find a lot of challenges, lot of difficulties also, but still you enjoy that, right? Whatever you're doing right now,
Yes,
you enjoy. That's actually
yes.
the main reason I think why you are actually into this, why you want to give back to the society. You love giving it back to the society. So that's
That happiness,
that's the
it's a
actual
selfish, na? This thing is also selfish. Like you feel happy giving. It's
sahi hai.
not giving is, but I'm getting that happiness, the smile. And when you
Right,
are doing something now, you automatically look beautiful.
right,
So
exactly,
it's
Rabia.
the smile comes within, and it comes outer. So I
Right.
feel that while giving, I'm also selfish.
Right, but still, you what are the kind of challenges or difficulties or bottlenecks that you faced? While you had to set up something like this, when giving back to the society is not an easy thing. not anybody, today they wake up and say, okay, today I will give it back to the society, and they start everything. You have actually an empire created, where
Thank you.
you actually run that, show. I'm actually very proud of you, when I see, you have done all these things and still, doing all these things. So what are the kind of difficulties or challenges that you faced while, setting up this? It wouldn't have been an
Frank,
easy task, I'm sure.
no. Actually, frankly speaking, ये सब ये रास्ते में आता गया, चलते 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 आया, मेरे को कुछ करना नहीं पड़ा, मैं सच बोल रही हूँ।
Okay. Okay. So
कोई
you
यकीन
actually
नहीं
did not
करेगा,
face any
I
difficulties.
never had planned. In fact, when I was doing this walk for a cause thing, all my family members and मतलब everybody, my friends and my colleagues and all were very upset. Why you are so much into all this thing? Why you doing all this
Yeah,
thing?
exactly.
Why you are not giving us time? Why you are doing all these things? So
Right.
of course, I lost my time to them, to my friends and family, but that was
वही
only
मैं
for
पूछ रही
few
थी.
months. My time
Okay.
and everything, of course, I have lost many things, but I gained also a lot of things. And of
Exactly.
course, now they are used to the timings. They are flexible with my timings. I also know how to do it accordingly. So it becomes easier. The giants also came very easily to me. I had not planned that
Okay.
I will open up. I was happily in a group called Giants Group of Baikala with all my friends. Of course, they miss me, I miss them too, but we are doing collaborating together. Uran, we have gone together. Like I wanted their support, so they supported me. So I got lot of support from everybody. There were no challenges as such. When you
No,
are in
why
the
I
right
asked.
path, na, your friends also help, your relatives help. योर दूर दूर से भी लोग हेल्प करने लगते हैं, कभी कभी कोई मेरी वीडियो देख के भी आके बोलता मेरी मेरी तरफ से ये ले ले यार, तो मुझे ऐसी
Okay.
दिक्कत नहीं हुई है।
हाँ, वही मैं पूछना चाह रही थी कि because when you run an NGO or when you are, trying to give it back to the people, you need a, strong financial support too. So, how did actually that happen? That is what I wanted to ask you, because वो भी एक challenge है. Because you will have a heart, to do it, but you need a strong financial, support too. So that has to go and reach people too. That kind of promotion has to be there. That kind of people should actually first of all be aware of what you're doing, and then they will come forward to help you. So that is what I wanted to know, okay, how that happened, and also back in your family, how did they manage with your work schedule and all that. So that is what I wanted to ask you about.
Yeah, actually, NGO thing is really not easy since you send challenges and getting the finance. But
Right,
sometimes people trust you because what you are doing, they see, na. So when they
right,
see, automatically they'll do it for you. मेरे साथ हमेशा ऐसा हुआ, जैसे मैंने अंजुमन खैरुल इस्लाम के लिए स्पोर्ट्स डे के लिए लोग को शूज चाहिए थे, और मैंने कुछ एक शूज का कुछ पुराने चप्पल जूते किसी चप्पल वाले को जाके बहुत थाना में कोई गांव वाँव में जाके दिया था, और मुझे वो आदमी भी पता नहीं था, उनका नाम मिस्टर बसीन है। तो वो ऐसे हो गया कि मुझे बाद में उन्होंने ही सारे बच्चों के लिए जूते नए बना के दिए, और वो बच्चों के आके उन्होंने मेजरमेंट लिया, मतलब ये वो लोगों ने, बच्चों ने मुझसे शूज
wonderful,
मांगे, और वो अल्लाह का बंदा कहाँ से आ गया। तो हमेशा
wonderful,
मेरे साथ
wonderful.
कोई ना कोई एक अल्लाह का बंदा हमेशा आया है। और मैं अपने दोस्तों के लिए, स्पेशली मेरे चिनाई कॉलेज के मेरे जो दोस्त थे, उन्होंने भी, मेरे बचपन के दोस्तों ने मेरी बहुत हेल्प की। ऐसा नहीं कि मेरी बहुत हेल्प की, उन्होंने इसलिए की क्योंकि उनको पता था कि मैं जो कर रही हूँ वो सही कर रही हूँ, जहाँ दे
सही
रही
कर
हूँ
रहे
उनको पता था। उन्होंने मुझसे कभी सवाल नहीं किया, उन्होंने एक बार भी मुझसे सवाल नहीं किया कि कहाँ गया ये, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि मैंने क्या क्या किया, उनको भी पता है। So for me, like I never had to explain to anybody. That was the best thing. And लोग करते हैं मदद, शीरीन, लोगों के
they
पास
do.
अच्छे दिल है, बहुत दिल वाले लोग हैं, बच्चे भी बहुत अच्छे होते हैं। कभी कभी कोई कोई बच्चा 5-5 हजार देके जाता है।
That's
you
wonderful.
know
That's wonderful, Ravi, because not everybody you meet, are like that. Some might have an ulterior motive or an interior motive, and some people, they are not genuinely happy for you. So you get a lot of all sorts of people, when you
पर
actually
वो
meet
उसका
them. But I'm
प्रॉब्लम है ना.
glad, हाँ, but I'm glad
आई
कि
थिंक अगर
आपने ऐसे कोई लोग मीट नहीं किया.
सी
I'm
अगर वो लोग
glad.
मेरे से हैप्पी नहीं है, दैट्स इज देयर प्रॉब्लम. मेरे साथ मैं तो हैप्पी हूँ ना. आई एम वेरी मतलब आई एम कंफर्टेबल इन माय ओन बॉडी एंड फ्लैश. सो दैट्स इम्पोर्टेंट.
Right,
अगर
right,
खुद
right,
रात को अगर सोना है और उठना है सुबह में, जब मैं अपना मिरर देखना चाहूंगी, तो मुझे वो शक्ल अच्छी नहीं लगेगी, तो इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी ना.
right. But that's a wonderful thing, Rabia ji, कि आपने इतने अच्छे लोग भी आपने पाए, so that you can continue with your the social work that you would want to do, and also continue with your the cause that you are actually doing it right now, because you need that kind of a backup also. करने के लिए अकेले खुद की बात नहीं है ये, you need that kind of a backup, and I'm very glad that you found such people also to do all these things.
Yes, yes, there are
All
people
right,
who are
so
good
when you
people.
right. All right, Rabia ji, you already have your hands, full with an NGO, with Walk for a Cause, with your, your career in LIC, and you also have a family to take care of. There's so many things that is going around. So, do you find time to, unwind yourself? How do you do? What do you do to unwind yourself? Actually, relax करने के लिए क्या करते हो आप? क्योंकि mind सही होना भी, that is also an important thing, right? When so many things are happening around you, you need to keep your mind sane and calm and peaceful also. So what do you do for that?
I love food.
Okay. आप मेरे कैटेगरी के हो.
I can eat anything, of course. So that's my
Okay.
happiness.
All right.
I can't
So
make food, huh? That's my problem.
okay, you can cook. Okay, all right. Okay. नहीं, मैं पूछ रही थी, you love food, fine, but how do you unwind yourself? मतलब do you
I
get
know, but the
free time?
see,
फ्री
me
टाइम
time is
मिलता है क्या
always.
आपको?
हाँ हाँ, मेरे पास तो ये me time ही है. Right now, this is also me time. See, whatever you
Okay.
are doing now, even if it is a social work, you're doing happily, so it's
Right.
me time. You know,
Okay. All
while
right.
going to Uran, we stopped at Chembur. So in Mumbai, I have never seen Chembur at all. And I wanted to have this Sindhi food is very famous. That's called dal pakwan. So my other friend whose car was supposed to come on time, 8:30, couldn't come. So for 1 hour, we had a breakfast which was famous Sindhi ka thing. And I don't waste my time. Huh? Shirin, you must have noticed in this 45 minutes,
Right.
from 5 to this 40 minutes, 5:40, because we decided to go on live 5 o'clock, and then till then I need to do something, right? So it's
Right.
already decided. So what do I do next? No? So I do something which will not waste my energy and time, right? So what I did, I searched for all the places. Though it was raining heavily, we all were running in the car here and there, but I got that dal pakwan. Of course, it was not up to my mark, but I got it. And then while coming again, we wanted to go to Uran. Uran is mainly for the fish. So all my friends suggested, let's go and have fish. I said, नहीं नहीं नहीं, बहुत डर लगता है. अब इतना ठीक है आज के दिन के लिए. While coming again, we wanted to drop a friend, and we were talking about some other food, then ice cream, and that Goa is this Peru ka ice cream, and there Peru you get that masala na lal lal. Have you seen in Mumbai we give
Yeah.
so masala we give. Suddenly we started talking. Let's find out this place where we get his ice cream. While doing social work, while helping 40 people, at the same time we enjoyed. That was a day we had so much fun. It was too good. We had the famous ice cream which we will never forget. We had the famous Chinese over there. So in my lifetime, like 52 age, I have never been to Mumbai's Chembur. That RK studio दूर से ऐसे आते जाते राज कपूर का स्टूडियो देखती रही, पर पूरा चेंबूर कभी नहीं देखा. बॉम्बे की लड़की, and I love Mumbai. So that was a happiness to get that ice cream, to eat out with friends. That dhamal. So it was too good. So this is unwinding myself while going and coming. This was an hour which will be always remembered. This will be giving me freshness. This will be making me happy always.
Right. Right. That's actually a very wonderful thing that you've told me right now, Rabia ji, because usually when I ask people, how do you unwind yourself or how do you refresh yourself, they talk or they tell me something which is not related to their work. They say, okay, at home I sleep or I, relax or, I sing or I play, music or I dance, something that is not related to work. Probably they don't enjoy work or, how it is, I'm not sure. But usually the answer is this, something that is not related to work. Nobody's told me, no, I enjoy my work or I, love working. So that is how I, refresh myself also. You are the first person actually who have told me that, you enjoy doing your work and that is how you even refresh yourself. That's actually a very different answer that I've received so far. Because people usually, keep that as a separate category as to, how to, refresh or, revive themselves. Your answer was actually very different. So this
Yeah,
shows
I'm
that
missing my
people
office
have to
also.
have, yeah,
In
yeah,
LIC, when I work, I have never taken off, you know,
okay,
because I love my office where the people are coming, going, coming. The people make you happy also. Of course,
yeah,
they come with the
meeting
complaints
different people
also.
every day.
But I feel like going to office because of COVID-19. We are allowed to go only once a week.
Right. That's actually wonderful, wonderful. You actually love me, love what you're doing. You're very passionate about actually whatever you do, whatever segment that you're working on. So actually, I think that makes you the wonderful person that you are, and
Thank you very
being
much.
having and also having a very positive outlook towards, because people who work in the office, they work actually for the sake of it. Most of them, 90% of the people who work, their careers or whatever, they don't choose their careers. Sometimes they work for the monetary gains or because of the financial support that they need. They work for the heck of it, actually, to be very frank. And whatever, they come back home and they follow different passions. People have passionate about something else and they will be working on something else. So that is how the major population is today. But it's good to know that somebody who loves her work, who loves what she does, it's actually a very a good thing for the audience is also to hear, as to follow your passion, follow your dreams, so that you will not feel tired, you will not feel that you're actually working, you will start enjoying it. That's actually a very good message that you have given today, Rabia ji. I'm seriously honored to have you on this show today.
Thank you once again.
All right. So now that we have spoken so much about your journey, what you do, the different segments that you work on. So let's come back to your book again before we wind up. So let's talk something about your book also. Can you just show us your book if you have it right now
You
with
know
you?
what? Because of this lockdown, there's no the printer has not made the book. It is in the e-book form. So only the
Okay.
e-book available on Amazon and Kindle and wherever all platforms. But I made a journal. Those who are going to book the book of paperback, they want
Hmm.
to have a paperback book. If they want to have and they want to buy pre-book pre-order, I will be giving them the journal. So each day they will be writing about their story. If they are interested in writing about themselves, like these pages are
Wonderful.
कोरा कागज. आपको
That's
अपनी
wonderful.
कहानी पर
That's
डे
wonderful.
वाइज लिखना है. This day, today, if you are going to book, and you're going to place an order, I will be gifting them, okay, with the book
That's
again.
wonderful,
This,
Rabia.
yeah. So each day they have to write about their life, what they have done, what they want to plan to do the next day. So this is how it is going to be. So this is a 100 days challenge for a woman.
Okay.
Not only 100 days, you can finish in 10 days if you have a challenge which gets over by 10 days.
Right. So I think I
So
will be the first one to go ahead and place an order for this right after the show. So
thank
because
you
I
very
didn't
much.
know that this was not a book and this is going to be a journal. Like I actually, it
This
was
is
a
a
surprise
journey.
for me too. Okay, that's actually very beautiful thought. Actually, how do you actually come up with ideas like that? You know, so many thoughts, so many things to do. How do you actually do that?
I have got
How
a
do
lot
you
of other
manage to
gifts
do?
also. There are a lot of planners. There are planner of day to day, what you ate. Today's Wednesday, and what is the how you are going to impact the life. So I've got all these things.
Right.
If you allow me, I will bring it here. But I have kept it
Definitely.
inside.
Sure, Ravi.
You want to see
Sure,
that?
Sabir. If you want to, yeah, yeah. We'll wait. I'll wait. No issue. All right. So let's wait for Rabia ji to come back. So she will be showing us the planners and various other
See, along with the book, this is the
accompaniment.
book.
Yeah.
This is the thing. This is Rabia's Walk for a Cause. This is how
Right.
many life you have made an impact on others.
Okay.
So this is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. How many glasses of water you had? How you are keeping yourself healthy? So this is also along with that journal. I have made this. This is a day-to-day
Nice.
chart, and with the pen you can rub it, you can write it, rewrite it. So this will make a habit of writing. Write about yourself. So, in
Right.
order to have my book, those who are going, a voracious reader only will be buying the book, obviously.
Right.
So,
Right.
naturally, if they want to write, they want to journal their life. Obviously, the journaling will be done through their own self. This is how it is.
Right. That's such a wonderful thing, Rabia ji. I want to
A
say I was
weekly
not
planner
expecting
board.
actually.
I can't hear you,
That's so
Veda.
nice. Yeah. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, no, the earphone was not there. Now it is there. So
Okay.
again here, ask her to do in Hindi because I'm a Mumbai girl. मेरा नाम है
Okay.
पक्का मुंबई करा.
Okay.
So this is again आज का to do. Okay. So आज का to do में you had a breakfast, lunch or dinner or workout. Since you were asking me ना, how do you rejuvenate yourself?
Right. I did.
How you how you want to do it? So whether you had a meal, of course I feel happy when I have a meal. But if you are happy doing the workout, the inches lost or not lost, whether you have done any time or me time. Again, this is written me time. Can you see?
Yeah, yeah, we do.
This is me
It's
time.
visible.
So how
It's
you
visible.
want to celebrate your me time? That's also equally important. This is the sheet also. So along with
That's
all these things, so
wonderful.
those are, huh?
It's
I beg your
wonderful,
pardon?
Rabia. Your thoughts are actually, I'm amazed at the thoughts and the way you execute it and the way it is all, planned and, done. I'm actually
This was
amazed.
not planned actually. I must say this was not planned, but you were there na when the Women of Substance ka book ka launch
Yes.
hua tha. You were there.
Launch
So
mein, I
that
met.
day, the book was not complete. So I just wanted to have a announcement that the book launch is there. So pre-book, pre-book. So again, there was so much crowd. I couldn't tell anybody to pre-book or do whatever they want. It was too much of a lot of people's affair. So the thing again, the next week lockdown ho gaya again, you know
हाँ,
सो लॉकडाउन में बंद हो गया सब. और मेरा ये बुक का भी जो बनने का है वो भी कुछ लापता हो गया. आई कुड हैव डन ऑन माई ओन सेल्फ बट सर्चिंग में बहुत लंबा गया. सो देन लॉट ऑफ पीपल आज में ई बुक निकाल, ई बुक निकाल, ई बुक निकाल. तो मेरे को ई बुक से मेरे को शेक्सपियर ना पब्लिकेशंस मिल गया. मैंने उसको बोला चलो ई बुक और ये पेपर बैक कर दो. अब देवर ई बुक तो आ गया, पेपर बैक नहीं आया। अब पेपर बैक नहीं आया तो क्या करूं? तो मैंने सोचा मेरी एडवर्टाइज कैसे करूंगी, तो मैंने ये नोटबुक बना दी। दिस इज व्हाट
Nice.
जर्नलिंग. So again with that, I thought, okay, why not? Those who are going to buy the book, I'll give them all these things, including all. This is
That's
how
a
it
very
happened.
wonderful thought, Rabia ji. That's actually a very good thought. So, audiences, anybody who will go ahead and buy the book "Women of Substance," you will not just buy the book where you get inspired by different real life stories. You will also get these goodies along with the book that consists of a journal where you can share your life stories there. You can share your thoughts there on the journal, and along with that you also get a complete chart of your everyday life that you can share. So that's what Rabia ji is offering. That's actually a very innovative thought. So I guess anybody who's actually listening to us right now, they should definitely go ahead and buy this book. It's actually worth it for you to keep yourself motivated, especially during this pandemic time when people feel depressed or stressed. So give it a different angle to your thought process so that negative thoughts don't set in. You can actually buy this book, and Ms. Rabia ji will be leaving the details as to how to go about to purchase this book for yourself, a copy for yourself. She will be leaving all the details here in the comment section, so you can look at these details and you can actually go ahead and place the order directly with the author herself, so that she will be sending the book and the goodies along with that to your place wherever you are in India. So am I right, Rabia ji? You will be sending it to the person, whoever is going to book
Absolutely,
it, right? Right.
absolutely
So
correct.
you can actually directly contact the author for the same. You don't have any middlemen here. So that is why this live was arranged today, so that we will talk about the book more and we will tell you more information about the book. Women of Substance. I have known the author herself, and I've read a few pages of the book also, and I will be getting my copy also very soon because I'm very interested about the book as well as the goodies that come along with it. So definitely I will be going ahead and placing the order for that right after the show maybe. So I would request all the audiences also to go ahead and purchase the book. Definitely you wouldn't be disappointed. The book contains real life stories of women who have come up in their life on their own after facing a lot of difficulties in life. So whatever you guys are facing it right now, probably you will be able to relate to it when you read the book. So how these women came out of these problems or difficulties in life, probably you will get an answer there as to how you can come up in the life, so that you can find answers from the life of the women that is mentioned in the book there. So I would request anybody and everybody to go purchase the book and also the goodies from the author herself.
Thank
All
you
right,
very much,
Rabia ji.
Shireen. Shireen, thank you very much. It is pleasure and an honor to come to on your show because ink that matters is also matters a lot.
Thank
And
you
I'm
so
very
much,
happy
Rabia ji.
a
Thank you.
Chennai girl who's also a very happening girl who writes so well. I'm very impressed with your writing skills. Definitely, I'm not.
Thank you. Thank you.
I don't तारीफ ऐसे जबरदस्ती नहीं करती हूँ मैं किसी की. But you have been very great writer, and
Thank you,
I
Rabia ji.
wish you
I'm
a
honored.
great success in whatever you do, whether it is a business, at home, at your family life, as well as in your career to that ink that matters. So
Thank you
it
so
will,
much, Rabia ji, for all the
I'm sure it will go not only into the nation, it will go globally. Globally, you will have an impact on this.
thank you, Rabia. Thank you for all the warm wishes and love. I'm truly honored that you called me a writer. I wanted somebody to actually acknowledge me as a writer, and thank you so much for having loved what I do and for having come up on this show. Actually, I've got inspired myself after knowing your life journey as to what you do, how you give back to the society. I'm also actually thinking now on those terms as to what difference I can make to the society by myself, as to how I can do and what I can do. Probably I'll get to thinking now after this show. you have actually personally made a difference to my mindset right now. I'm not sure about the audience, so anybody who would see this, probably they'll have to share their experience, but my experience, I'm telling you, definitely you have actually changed my mindset altogether as to how a person can be in the family, look after the family, and also can decide to change the society for the good and the betterment. Thank you so much, Rabyaji. It was a truly inspirational show today. The Our tagline "Roads Untraveled" is called an inspirational show, and today I think we have served that purpose. Thank you so much for once again for
Thank
coming on
you.
this show. All the love to you. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Same, and
Thank
keep
you.
loving everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And would you
Thank
want
you.
to say something for our viewers, Rabyaji? Something
Hey, since
to end.
yeah, of course, influence people, impact their lives, and earn a lot of income through giving them smiles.
Right. Thank you, Rabyaji. Thank you so much for this wonderful evening and your time. We would definitely meet again.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna
Thank
leave you
you.
anyways. Thank you. Thank you, audience.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
everybody
you.
who were
Thank
there
you.
with
Thank you,
us.
everyone.
Thank you for being with us. That was a lovely show. So, what you guys can do is this show will be there on the YouTube channel of In That Matters. So, anybody who had missed the show or have not watched the show, definitely we will have an article for the avid readers about the guest today and about the show today. So, definitely you can go and read that up. Or if you are of virtual, of visual interest, what you can do is you can head to our YouTube channel of Pink That Matters, where the entire episode will be streaming. So until I meet you next time with another, a special guest, an interesting guest. So it's Shireen here signing off from Roads Untraveled by Ink That Matters. Thank you.